Mm. Oh, hey. Mm. Oh, yeah. You walked in like a sunrise in a workday kind of town. Just a massage, a little laughter, but you turned my whole world round. With your kindness in your eyes and that hair falling like gold, I knew right there in that moment this was a story to be told. I kept asking you for coffee, just a chance to know your name. Every maybe felt like thunder, every no felt like rain. Then you said yes, and the world caught fire. Every breath just pulled me higher. You touched my soul without a sound, turned my lost heart all around. Now I'm standing here, can't depart. You left your fingerprints on my heart. You let me in so gently, like a door that opens slow. And every smile you gave me was a place I'd wanna go. You loved me like a lady, soft but stronger than the tide. And I found a piece of heaven just sitting by your side. And I tickle every heartbeat just to see you shine again. That smile you give so freely, Lord, it heals me from within. Yeah, you said yes, and the world caught fire. Every breath just pulled me higher. Oh, you touched my soul without a sound, turned my lost heart all around. Now I'm standing here, playing my part, with your fingerprints on my heart. Oh,
Maybe we're just a moment,
hey.
maybe we're a prayer.
Maybe angels heard me calling and sent you somewhere
Out of nowhere,
I don't know where this road leads, or if it falls apart, but I'll carry you forever in these beating scars. 'Cause you walked in and the world caught fire, lit a flame I can't retire. You touched my soul deep in the dark, left your light in every spark. If dreams come true or drift apart, you'll still be here in the fingerprints on my heart. Yeah, you'll always be in the fingerprints on my heart.